All right, what's up, guys? We got a quick pH test for you guys today. We have Dasani, Azarka, Aquafina, and a lot of people's favorites right there, Essential Water. Water is really important when it comes to health, obviously. And when it comes to the pH scale, you can be in 3 different states, all right? I'm not gonna really touch on this right now, but you're either gonna be acidic, neutral, or alkaline. A lot of us, of course, we know that we wanna be more on the alkaline state. What that's gonna do is gonna help your body fight off any sickness. You're gonna have more energy. The list goes on and on, okay? So let's just go ahead and get into the test. So we got some Dasani right here, and I only have a little bit of the pH solution right here, so we're gonna make it work. Here goes Azarka, Texas brand there, Aquafina, and then last but not least, we have Essential Water. And as you can see, pH of 9.5. I want this to be an educational video for you guys. A lot of people don't even know what pH even stands for or what it means. It stands for potential hydrogen, all right? And our blood has a level of 7.4. So basically, when you drink or eat food that has a higher alkalinity than 7.4, that's why your body can actually flush out any of those bad toxins that your body doesn't want to keep. And then again, you'll be a lot more healthy. So I got the pH solution here. All you have to do is put 3 drops in here, and it's either going to turn, it's going to be yellow, a green tint, or it's going to get into the purple range here. That's what you do want to see when it comes to your purified alkaline water. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll do this kind of fast here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see already, all these waters here, the first 3, they're purified, but then whatever minerals are putting in that water, if not any, are not alkaline minerals, and that's gonna sometimes even cause acid reflux. I know many people that can't even drink waters like Azarka here, just because of those different minerals and contents that are in that water. So when you look at the Essential Water, looking at purple. Now there is a catch though when it comes to Essential Water. Number 1, it's expensive. If you drink Essential Water, then you already know that, but it does taste very good. And number 2, now this is a huge company, right? They actually use machines that actually, it's gonna ionize the water and it's gonna do that very quickly, but it's actually not the natural way to get those minerals into the water. And it's kind of like electrifying. And think about a microwave. There's 2 different ways to heat up your food. You can heat it up in the microwave. It's fast, it's convenient, but it's really not that healthy, but we use it. Or what you can do is, this is something I actually really wanted to show you guys right now. Nobody on the planet has one of these. This is the first one in production. We're gonna test it out right now live, okay? So we're gonna see if this alkaline ball, this has all the healthy minerals that your body needs, okay? The magnesium, the calcium. You know, what this is gonna do is gonna change your water into alkaline water. You can have water like this, and it should boost the pH to somewhere around the 8.5 to 9 range like the Essential. Let's see if it even goes higher. So let's go ahead and get a couple more cups here, so we can get a comparison going. When it does come to alkaline water, there's so many benefits that comes along with it. And if you're someone that drinks alkaline water consistently, like I said, number 1, you've been spending a lot of money on it, but you see the benefits and the differences. So let's go ahead and pour the Dasani here. Azarka. A little more Aquafina here. And last but not least, got our Essential. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got now. We're gonna go ahead and start off. We actually don't need to test the Essential, so we'll go ahead and skip that one. But let's go ahead and start from down here. Let's go Dasani. We'll drop it in. We'll go ahead and see how long it takes. Just give it a couple of swirls here. Now let's see if this alkaline ball here has given any. Oh yeah. Look at that. I wanted to see if it gave the water any good nutrients, and clearly it did. This is actually way darker than the Essential over there. So this is getting into the, this is really getting into the 12 range here. That's really high. 12 to 13. Now let's go ahead and see if it does the same thing for the Ozarka. I mean, think about that. That took about 5 to not even 10 seconds. Take it out. Let's go ahead and test it again. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I've been testing water for a long time, and this is actually really incredible. I'm excited about this. You can put this alkaline ball inside, I mean, a gallon of water, a 5-gallon pitcher, doesn't even matter. And this alkaline ball right here is gonna last for 150 gallons, that's a lot of water. Let's go ahead and see if this one switched as well. Look at that. Wow. So basically what you can do, instead of buying yourself this expensive Essentia water, I know that many of us are doing this. It's about $32 a case. You're gonna actually save yourself over $1,000, around $1,200 with one alkaline ball. So again, put it in the 5-gallon jug, put it in a 1-gallon jug, stir it up a little bit, and you have yourself a whole gallon of alkaline water. There's no need to go to the store and grab any more of this Essentia water. It did us justice for a long time now, but look at that. Now that we have this alkaline ball here, there's no excuse. There's no reason to not get the healthy minerals that your body needs on a daily basis, anytime, anywhere, with any water, all right? So make sure you click the button below. You're gonna actually get 2 of these, not just one. We're gonna give you one for free. And then also, so you can check to see if this is actually working, and you can test any other waters as well. Maybe you wanna check Aquafina on your own, make your own video. You can do whatever you want. We're gonna actually give you your own pH solution bottle as well, okay? When you go ahead and click the button and purchase. So thank you for watching the video. This is amazing. I mean, like I said, I've been doing this for years, and I'm pretty much blown away right now. I've never seen anything like this, and really excited for you to get one yourself. Let's do it.